Oops. I hope we're on the right road still. Tŷ William Morgan.
California Century is narrated by
We're coming to see the house where the translator of the Welsh Bible lived. Well, not birthplace, but where he lived mostly. You know, none of us lived where we're born. So, oh my goodness, there's snow on the hills. Oh, we've come up through the hills. Oh, no.
We're heading to Ambridge after the news.
No, we're not heading to Ambridge. I'm heading to Tŷ Mawr, outside penmachno, in northeast Wales. But that's Radio 4 trying competing with me. Anyway, it's quite a wild talk about remote. I mean, you know, luckily you're not so remote you haven't got the radio. So we're going to get there, but it's to give a general impression. Now, we've already done half of the thing before I turn the camera on. Of course, if I've taken the wrong road, all this video is a waste of time. But I wanted to catch, there's all sorts of nature roads. I mean, God knows, I might have gone up the wrong road, but we'll find out in a minute. He lives near a stream, or he lived, although he's there in spirit still. Oh, exactly. We never die. Oh, no, especially, it's only open at the end of April onwards. Tŷ Mawr, I'm all right. It's okay. That's how it's pronounced. Tŷ Mawr, wybrant. All right, okay. Right, well, come on, I've been not very too long. All this video will be very boring. Well, nature's not boring, but all the same, it gives you seasickness. To be a motion sickness, it's called, when you're resting a camera on a moving car. Here it is. Oh, I wasn't too far, was it? But oh dear, that was oh dear, there's sheep waiting to be killed here. We don't want to see, no, we don't want to see dead sheep. Well, that's what they're all intended for. What animal abuse everywhere. Poor animals. Right. But then there's some poor cows down there as well. Is it a horse? Oh, where's some horrid farm? Look at the muck. Oh dear. Anyway, I can't find him anyway. What a jumbled mess this is. Anyway, where are we? Oh, he's got a lot of barbed wire. What I mean, you know, when you force animals into living in where you want them, you have to use barbed wire. Recall that. Oh, look at this, it's pretty. There's some eccentrics round here. Right. Oh, poor pigs. Poor animals. Oh, no, not even pigs. Poor animals in all that mud. Look at that. I mean, it's not fit for any animal to be walking in that. I mean, no animal in nature is walking in that, in a field, a shut field. Anyway, never mind about all that for now. Parking. Oh, where's the house? It's down there. Right, National Trust, of course. Wonderful thing. Wonderful institution. Yes. Set up by people who wanted to do something for the nation. Oh, here we go. There's his house. You're going to get out in a minute. Oh, there's someone living over there. Anyway, never mind. They have got guardians watching over. There's someone living over there. Oh, yes, it got flooded in the floods of a few years ago. Dear. Oh, I don't like the archers. They're a load of... That thing ought to be abolished. Okay, well, I'm going to pull up over here. It's typical people. Right. Right. Well, she's off, thank goodness for that. Right, we're going to have a look at this place. Oh! Whoa, we're at Tŷ Mawr. Tŷ Mawr. I'm learning Welsh. Come on then. Oh la. Tŷ Mawr. Wonderful. You can hear the water. Of course, this is what flooded the place, and the Bible's nearly got all soaked last time, eh? What does it all say? Opening times 15th of March. Oh, it's not long to go. 15th of March. Oh, the guidebooks say end of April. Thursdays to Sundays. Thursday. Hello. Oh, are they open? No. It's okay. It's all right. The guidebooks are saying that it's open end of April. The guidebooks are getting it wrong. The last time I came here, I drove in the night by mistake. I got lost. There was this horse standing here.
All right.
I was terrified.
Yeah.
I swore. No, this is not the place to use the F word, you know?
No.
But I mean,
Quite
there it
right.
was. It was stood here, just not moving. It didn't move. It wasn't tied up or anything.
Are you local or?
Oh no, I've just come. Hello, I've just come. I'm busy filming. You don't mind, do you? Oh, no. It's only for my blog. It's only for my blog. I filmed as I was driving up because
right,
it's
yeah.
And you live here.
I do. Yeah, I live over there. Yeah.
Oh, you live in that place.
The place behind.
Oh,
That's my
you're
wife
very
over there.
lucky. So you're the guardians.
I am. Yeah.
Oh, you're the guardians. Well, I'm very delighted. I've got a guardian. So it wasn't your horse. You don't know what horse I was on about.
From the
Up
the
there.
riding school.
Oh, there's a school up there. I've got. Yes, naughty of you.
We just helped.
Horse.
There's a gentleman got his car stuck.
Oh,
that's
does
why
he need any help? I've got tow ropes.
I think we've got this gear.
You sure?
Yes, thank you.
Because I've got a tow rope and my car's quite powerful.
But what I don't advise is you driving down that way.
Oh, I won't. I understand. Yes, no, I'm not going in. I'm just going to walk around. It's okay.
Yes,
and
take
if you
your
want
time.
any help,
Thank
yes.
you very much.
Or anyone to go and get help, that's even
Thank
better.
you very much.
Pleasure.
What's your name?
Oh, I'll leave you a card and all the rest of
Okay.
it. So you'll see yourself on YouTube later.
Oh, right.
The Guardian of Tŷ Mawr. Well, William Morgan's place, of course, isn't it?
It is, yeah,
well, I'm
yeah.
learning Welsh, yes.
Oh, da iawn.
Well, exactly. I can say diolch, which is very important, and I found the shop. I'm learning, yes, in a place called Mould.
Oh, right.
Yes, it's not, well, it's half an hour from here, isn't it, Mould?
Neis I gwrdd â chi. Nice to meet you.
Diolch.
I might see you later.
See you, yes, well, good luck with the man. If you need any help, let me know. Right, we're going to have a look at this house now. I'm no good at these things. How do these things work? Oh. Is it? Ah. Whoa. Oh. Now, they've got a little stream. Ah, there's the stream. Wait, Falcon. Da, da, da. That's just okay. I shall turn this off in a minute. I'm busy filming for my blog. I'm doing a lilting accent now, even now that I'm in Wales. This is it. Now, one can see how he got flooded. The chimney's bent over. Well, you don't need chimneys. They have toilets too. Oh, he's doing chimney work. There you go. Boyo. Come here, Boyo. You come here, doggy. I don't know if you get offended people calling them Boyo. Anyway, right, now I can turn this off now. Da means good. Da means good. Oh. William Morgan, Tŷ Mawr, and that was the guardian of the place. Well, of course, and he lives back there. And of course, well, they've got a man stuck where he, probably like me, drove somewhere, he didn't know where he was going, and ended up doing that in Estonia once. I say. It's open. Naughtiness. Tŷ Mawr. Wybrant. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a spinning wheel and things inside. They're busy working on that. Can hear the water. Wait. Oh, busy working on the chimney then.
Well, we're just cleaning it.
Oh, right.
It's a huge thing.
It is huge, isn't it? It looks like it's falling over.
Well, that one is up this side here.
Gosh, have a peek in here. Stay there. Shh. Well, it's a bit dark in these places. Look how dark it is in here. Gosh. Flagstone floors. The heating must have been a nightmare. I need stairs like that to go in my loft. That's what I need, isn't it? Oh la la. We have to come. What's the date? Oh, it's not the 15th of March. They're going to open it on the 15th of March. It says on there. Oh goodness. God, you don't want to go and sleep. We're not going up there. No. Get down, Falcon. Welsh dresses. Oh, he's got all sorts of things written on that as well. Where are we? Got fire escapes. What in there? Oh, that's the kitchen, is it? Oh, goodness gracious. There must have had toilets in here sometime. Anyway. Oh, William Morgan. There is no portrait of him, but in the gallery of the imagination, a brow with a hare's feathers spilled on it, a cheek, 2 hollow rows of teeth broken on the unmanageable bone of language. Can Morlwyn of Am El Dinwich? Hell, oh la la. Well, I mean, I can't pronounce it all yet. I haven't been to many lessons, have I? Oh, I say. Idyllic. You just need a defibrillator. Right.